In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Twitter-sensitive content. This will help you view the posts you want to see without any restrictions. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to x.com. If you haven't already, sign into your account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, you will see your home feed and notifications. This step is crucial because logging in gives you access to your settings where you can make the necessary changes. If you are using a public computer, remember to log out when you are finished to keep your information secure. Next, look for the menu option labeled More on the left side of the screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From here, select Settings and Privacy. This menu is where you can manage your account settings, including privacy options, notifications, and more. It's essential to access this area because it contains the tools you will need to adjust your content visibility settings. You might see various options, but don't worry, we are focusing on the privacy settings today. Once you have clicked on Settings and Privacy, locate the Privacy and Safety section. Click on it to proceed. In this section, you will find several options related to your account's privacy. This is an important step because the privacy settings directly impact what kind of content you can view and interact with on the platform. Taking control of these settings ensures that you can customize your experience according to your preferences. Now, select the Content You See option. This is where you can manage your preferences for viewing sensitive media. After clicking on it, you will see various options related to content visibility. Look for the toggle or checkbox that says Display Media that may contain sensitive content. Turning this on is vital as it allows you to view posts that may have been flagged for containing sensitive content. This little step saves you a lot of time later when trying to access the content you want to see. After you have enabled this setting, be sure to refresh the page. You can do this by clicking the refresh button on your browser or pressing F5 on your keyboard. This action ensures that your changes take effect immediately. Once the page reloads, you can try viewing the post that was previously restricted. If everything is set up correctly, you should now be able to see the content without any issues. This process reassures you that your changes are saved and working as intended. Lastly, please note that if you are using an iPhone or iPad, you may need to change this setting through the X website rather than the app. Additionally, remember that age-restricted content may still be unavailable to users under 18 or accounts without a birth date. This is an essential aspect to keep in mind, as it ensures compliance with content regulations. Now you are equipped to manage sensitive content on X. By following these steps, you have full control over your viewing experience. Enjoy your time on the platform, and remember that you can always revisit these settings if you need to make any changes in the future. Thank you for watching.